Sige, game.
Hey guys, welcome again to another video.
What's up, Paul?
And yes, we're going to unbox this cheapest. I think this is not the cheapest, but if you use the promos, you can get below 3,000 pesos.
For both sneakers.
No.
3,000 each. Okay, akala ko 3,000 for both.
But this one, I got this because the sneaker that I bought is already discounted, and then I applied the discount. So it is now just, this one is around 2,202 pesos.
Not bad. And
Not
this
bad.
one, it says here, it's how much? It's 1,930 pesos.
So that's it, guys. So I think this is the Adidas sneaker, and this one is the Nike. So
Let's go.
sige po.
Mauna ba ako?
Sige.
Teka, baka masugat ako yung pusa. Dito tayo sa gilid. Okay guys, so let's do a Hulk unboxing style. So let's go.
There you go.
Ayan. So this again is the Adidas sneaker that you can get for 1,990 pesos on Zalora. I was about to say Zara. So you have the Zalora like packet over here, and then you have the box.
So there you go, and the receipt. This is it, guys.
So this is the Adidas. Oh, I know this. Ayan, kita na naman tayo niyan.
Kita.
Pasensya na po sa pusa ko. So, but so we have the Adidas Duramo 9. So if you pop,
from, what's the original price? From,
I think it's like 3,000.
3,000 pesos.
So with the Zalora discount, 1,990. So this is what it looks like. I actually have this exact pair, exact color that I bought for like 3,000 pesos. So kind of sucks that he got it for 2,000.
It's 2,000 pesos. Not bad for the price.
Yeah, not bad. I was actually able to do a review on this. It's one of the more comfortable sneakers that you guys can buy for under 2,000. And
even though it's not Boost,
it's not easy. Kasi the cloud foam technology which preceded Boost, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Diba, the cushioning is pretty nice. It is made for running as well. And this particular model, the Duramo 9, is actually very good for people with wide feet.
Oh,
Kasi if you take a look at the toe box, it is a bit rounded and square versus your typical narrow toe box.
Yeah.
So if you have wide feet like me and you don't have big budget, you might want to check out the Duramo 9. It's such a steal at just 1,900 pesos. So I did a review on this, guys. If you haven't watched it yet, link mo na lang.
Okay,
so it'll be linked
it
down below. Okay, so that's the first sneaker.
Now, this one is 2,202 pesos.
Okay, while he's unboxing that, by the way, to those who don't know, kung ayaw nyo ng black and white, there are actually a lot of colors of the Duramo 9. I saw a red version, I saw a blue and red version.
In the outlet store?
No, in 2Bs.
Oh.
In BGC. So there are a lot of colors of the Duramo. Don't just think that it is just a boring black and white pair of sneakers. And apart from that, sometimes, you know, black and white is just so nice because you can wear it with anything.
Yeah, true.
Diba? It is really versatile. So you can wear it with joggers, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it going to the gym. It's easy to maintain because it's not that hard to clean, diba?
Yes.
Lalo now that it's rainy here in the Philippines. But anyway, so
So do you think this is a good running shoe, even though the upper is not that breathable?
no, it works.
It works,
It works. It's not super breathable, but it's the air still gets in.
Okay.
Diba? If you take a look at all the and I was able to run in this naman eh. So it's not as bad as it looks. Mas malala pa rin yung Solar Glide and the Solar Boost.
I reviewed the Solar Glide.
The Solar Boost, I mean. The Solar Boost is really warm. It's really warm
Than this one?
than this one.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe the Solar Boost 19 is better because apparently they tweaked the upper. So
Yeah.
I haven't reviewed the 19 version yet. But the original version of the Solar Boost, not so nice.
Okay. So this is the Nike one.
So this he was able to get for a little over 2,000 pesos.
So there you go.
Oh, it's the first time I've seen that name.
Nike Acme.
So Acme.
Acme.
ACMI. So I really don't know what that shoe is. So I'll be surprised. So
let's
ito
see.
yung first time ko makikita.
Bam!
Oh, nice, not bad.
Not bad. 2,202 pesos.
For 2,200.
SRP is 3,000. Not bad, right?
Is this a running shoe?
I know, it's just a lifestyle
Lifestyle sneaker.
Not bad,
Nice.
right?
So I like the upper in mesh, and you have like reinforcements on different parts of the shoe. I love the Volt swoosh.
Yes.
Diba? It's very trendy, very current. I love the black and white, the contrast. I love the Volt Nike logo. And this is interesting. If you take a look at the bottom, that is one hell of a funky outsole.
It looks like a cloud.
Diba? Yeah, some sort of like cloud foam thing. But it feels a bit hard.
Yes.
So I'm not sure if this will be super comfortable. But hey, if you wanna,
2,202 pesos, guys.
yeah, you have the Volt swoosh. You have that really nice upper, and yeah, it's a really nice. Oh, the cat. Rumfold. At least maganda tingnan sa vlog mo.
Yeah,
Content
true.
ka, diba? Rumfold.
Hey, bro.
Dude. Yay! Okay, back to the review. So, ano ba yan? Talaga naligo siya. Rumfold, mamaya ka na
Dito na.
Rumfold. Daddy's vlogging. Ayan. Halika dito. Dito ka na lang sa tabi ko. Okay, so guys, that's the Nike Acme. So if you take a look at them side by side, ikaw, kung pipili ka, which one would you buy? Which one would you cop?
Even though I love Adidas, I will buy this than the Durami 9.
Okay.
Duramo 9.
Ako, I haven't tried this pa kasi.
Yes.
So based on the comfort that I got with this one, it's actually one of my favorite cheapest shoes. I'd go with this one.
Oh.
But again, that's with the assumption, or that's with the caveat that I haven't tried the Acme yet.
Yeah.
So, but in terms of looks, this one's really nice.
Yeah, true.
I mean, if you want an affordable, stylish athleisure sneaker,
This is it.
yeah,
Yes.
people won't think that this is just 2,000 pesos.
Yeah, true. Right.
People will have no idea that this is just 2,000. This one looks it's 2,000.
By the way, this is not available in Zalora anymore because
It was sold out.
sold out fast in the September 9
The 9/9
sale.
sale.
This one, it is still available in all sizes. So if you are interested about it, go check it out, guys. And by the way, I'm giving away these two sneakers because technically speaking, I actually don't need this two. I'm just curious if how good is this and how good is the Duramo 9. That's why I bought it.
Well, I can tell you that the Duramo 9 is really good.
Yeah, let's see. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button and see you in another video.
And special shout out to my cat for joining the video. Rumfold, his name is Rumfold. He has a Facebook page. The link can be found down below. Give his Facebook page a like. Peace.
Yeah, so meron
Boom.
siyang Facebook page.
Yeah, meron siya.